This is a summary video of DIVIP-400 Pro family that is an outstanding all-in-one solution for your AV integration projects. DIVIP is the abbreviation of Dexon Intelligent Video Processor. Pro means this is a 3-in-1 solution. This product contains 3 parts as a video processor part, a presentation matrix part, and even a routing matrix part. And so we have a universal solution serving all high-tech requirements in today's AV market. So what installations can you use this product for? This fantastic and market-leading product are generally applied in boardrooms, showrooms, conference centers, and they offer the best solution in mission-critical control rooms where 24/7 operation is indispensable. So let's move on to the modularity of this product group. This family is a modular video processor family, allowing us to customize the solution based on your installation requirements. This is possible by using 3 different chassis sizes. The smallest one offers minimum 4x4 up to 16x16, while the 7U high chassis has minimum 4x4 up to 32x32 configurations, and lastly, the 14U high one can serve minimum 4x4 up to 64x64 input and output signals. So how can we customize these devices to your needs? All input and output boards offer 4 channels and they are capable of handling all industry standard signals like HDMI, all legacy RGB, DVI, YPBPR, even composite video. We handle SDI, interlace video and HD-based connections. Our output portfolio handles HDMI or direct HD-based and direct SDI output signals. This video processor handles all signal resolutions up to 4K 30Hz with supported RGB color space and YUV 444 as well as 422. So let's look into the user interface of this DIVIP family. This device can be controlled locally by mouse, keyboard and monitor, so the operator can basically sit in front of a computer. Another possible control mode is via TCP/IP LAN. This can be controlled from any web browser by typing in your Dexon device's TCP/IP address. Once done, an easy-to-use software interface will appear to control the information over the video wall. This graphics user interface shows you the input signals, the video wall, the output signal parameters, some special settings, and importantly some control windows for the visualization, and lastly the layout management panel. You can assign certain layouts to the buttons, then save and recall anytime. You can save up to 32 different layouts. The design of layouts can be performed by single drag and drop operations. Even complex layouts can be built with some mouse clicks. You can also have the possibility to watch live preview of each of the input signals in a stamp-sized window. In order to create an easy to follow and visually attractive atmosphere, we built in some services into our devices to help your daily operations. For example, scaling up and scaling down of any signals without any limitations. On each of the outputs you can display a second picture in live also. This is called PIP visualization. Certainly all images are displayed in real time in 4K 30Hz. On top of these we offer on-screen display possibility to help you identify output channels and input signals. The DIVIP-400 Pro product offers visually appealing presentation effects. We can change input signals to the output in a seamless way, which is a real seamless switching with no distortion or no black frames. We refer to this effect as zero latency switching. You see 4 different inputs over 4 screens. If you wish to replace an input, you can also do so by applying the crossfade effect. This means one image will slowly fade out while the other one fades in without the background appearing in between. All these effects can be achieved by simple drag and drop operations. Fading in means that the video image will open slowly by fading in from the background. You can customize the time frame to your application. Fade out effect means when closing down the displayed videos, they slowly fade out into the background. You have the possibility to set the desired time also. So in conclusion, this universal solution where using a single box you can fulfill the requirements of a demanding AV project. We recommend this device to special projects where customized and long-lasting solutions are needed. If you wish to find out more, please visit our website and follow us on social media.